Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Just sitting down here and still doing a little bit of work. Just thought I'd jump on and do this little quick little video as a update about my left shoulder surgery. Now, sorry, metal in my finger. Run up the hospital this morning. Got to be in at the hospital tomorrow by 11:20 a.m. on Tuesday, which is tomorrow here in Australia, Monday everywhere else, I think, just about. So what's going to be happening is they're doing a bone, shaping of the bone, cleaning of the rotor cup, so where the ball socket goes in. And moves up and down and around like that when you move your shoulder. They're cleaning that, and then they're shaving on this section here. Also looking at two tendons as well, and they were wanting to do a bicep muscle snip, because we have an outer bicep but we also have an inner one as well. Now I told them I don't want that done, because that loses 10% strength, and there's no guarantees you get that 10% strength back, even with physio, exercise and all that sort of stuff. So that's a no for me for now. As for the channel, what I am thinking on doing is trying to get you guys a little bit of content. Now I've got plenty of photos of panels that I've made for customers and stuff like that, so I'll chuck them up as shorts as well, just so there's something there that you can look at as well. But as for content itself and videos, what I'm going to try and do is, I've got about, let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, at 9 models. So what I'm planning on doing is doing some modelling videos, because I won't be able to use my shoulder for a while. So once the shoulder is done, hopefully I can get a new tripod, or wink wink hint hint hint, if someone can flick me a new tripod, and that'd be cool. But other than that, I hoping to get a new tripod. If I can get the finances together and still sell some of my small bits, and I can get a volunteer in to make a few panels and still sell some stuff, then I'll do that. Other than that, I've got the smalls here to still sell. I wanted to try and get some more t-shirts. I've got a few left in stock still. Well, these are polo shirts, but I want to try and get some more actual t-shirts. Small stock of them, maybe 10 or 20 of them. Again, I'm out of stubby collars, so I'm hoping to order in some more stubby collars too. So I'll probably order another 10 of them in. So I've got a little bit of income still coming in. But towards the end of the year, I might do, once the shoulder's a little bit more better and moving, we will get in and we'll do a video cleaning up the back of the ute, the underside of it, because I wanted to try and make some stands that are a bit higher, so I can jack it up a bit higher to basically, when I get the chance to do the welding on the floor, I can get underneath and weld it from underneath as well, because I want to weld it top and bottom. But at the underside, I'll clean it right off and flush it, so it's 100% smooth. And that, when I do that rear section of floor, because we're getting closer to doing that. I've only got the passenger door to do, so the left side door. on the front section of the sheet metal of all the rust to do. Few little pinholes in the floor, so I'll spot weld them up and just give it a bit of a grind over. Other than that, and a little patch. There's a patch there that someone's put in, so I'm going to take that out and redo that. And make the floor section properly. And a couple other little small bits along the front to do, but not much. What else? Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. Just want to know what else do you guys want to see? Because as I'm sitting here, I'm supposed to be making another dog leg, and that, so I'm going to try and get that done this afternoon. I'll finish the boot floor off, that all thing. What else? Oh yeah, but I'll have 1 or 2 clocks coming up for sale. I've got these ones are actually keeping better time than the one that I actually bought. Maybe I should change the clock mechanism out. But yeah, so far it's 4:15. So have a quick look. Oh, trotting fast. That's alright. So yeah, but yeah, shoulder surgery coming up fast. I've just worked, what's that, 25 days straight, and that, and yeah, I'll try and knock this panel out this afternoon as well, because it's got to be sent off to a customer. If not, I'm going to have to let him know that I didn't quite get it finished, and send him one of his order. Just a shout out to Glenn and Arco and Woody and Danny and Brent from Sober and Half-Ass Customs, Sober and Restorations, hi to all those guys. Rob from Vino Rat Rod, loving the rod, mate. It's coming along nicely. Iron Horse Garage, and yeah, don't forget, if you're in Australia and you're wanting some metal shaping equipment and tools, jump on the Metal Man Tools and show him some support. The website is www.metalmantools.com.au. So yeah, now Dexter's taken over from Stuart. Big thanks to Stuart for all the support over the last few years. Means a lot. And also to you guys, thanks for tuning in, thanks for supporting the channel, and yeah, if it's got a sticker, get up the bead roller to put it on, but yeah, feel free to send us anything. Anyway, I gotta get going, finish this panel off, and until next time, stay safe and keep the rubber side down. Cheerio.